I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone is ready and then open Settings to begin. First, check iOS in general about so emoji support matches your needs. Once done, go back and tap General, then Keyboard to access keyboard settings. You need to be signed into your Apple ID if you want emoji settings to sync across devices. Now you're at the keyboard screen, the first actionable step is to add a new keyboard, which we'll do next. You'll now add and configure the emoji keyboard so you can access it fast. Tap Keyboards, then add new keyboard and choose Emoji. That installs the emoji set immediately. Make sure to reorder keyboards if you prefer emoji first. Tap Edit and drag it to the top. Once added, practice switching. Press the globe key or long press the emoji/smiley icon to pick emoji quickly. This setup explains why ordering matters. Finish by testing and optimizing your new emoji keyboard so it works smoothly in daily use. Open Messages or Notes and tap the globe or emoji icon to confirm emojis appear. Try predictive suggestions if enabled. You can enable predictive and set text replacements to insert emojis faster. If something goes wrong, remove and re-add the emoji keyboard or update iOS. That often resolves missing characters. If issues persist, restart the phone. This simple step clears temporary glitches and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.